When completing the FAFSA, consenting to the IRS sharing your federal tax information is required to be eligible for federal financial aid. It is also required that any parent or spouse contributors to your FAFSA consent to sharing their federal tax information. This is a simple and essential step to ensuring you receive the financial aid you deserve, and it will make the FAFSA easier to fill out. Everyone needs to consent, no matter your tax filing status. That means you must consent whether you filed taxes, didn't file taxes, or even if you filed foreign taxes. Just because you consent doesn't mean any information is actually being shared. You are just giving the FAFSA permission to check to see if the IRS has any tax information to share. They will share that information if you file taxes with the IRS for the year required on the FAFSA. If not, they will inform the FAFSA that there is no information on file. When you are asked to provide consent on the FAFSA, you'll see a page of legal language with a green box at the top that provides a good summary of what you'll be consenting to. Read through that legal information and click the Approve button at the bottom. If you, the student, or a contributor decline to provide consent, there will be the option to come back and offer it later. Remember, you are not eligible for federal financial aid unless consent is provided. For most people, the consent process will reduce the number of income and tax questions you see to as few as 2 questions. It is possible that if you are recently separated, or for other reasons like filing a foreign tax return, that you'll need to provide income and tax information manually. If so, help text is available, and we have an additional video in the description to support you. The FAFSA will not tell you what information was shared by the IRS or what questions were answered. You can contact your college once they receive your processed FAFSA if you want to know more about the information shared.